How to secure the presence of God. John chapter 8, the verse number 29. And he who sent me is with me. The Father has not left me alone, for I do always those things that pleases him. Amen. What is the presence of God? The presence of God simply means the Holy Spirit being with you. Hallelujah. Why do you need the presence of God? Number one, the presence of God is your protection. Number two, the presence of God is your supply. Number three, the presence of God scares away the enemy. Number four, the presence of God is your confidence. Number five, the presence of God is the antidote to sin. Number six, the presence of God is the answer to life complicated issues. Number seven, the presence of God enforces the promises of God upon your life according to Genesis chapter 28, the verse number 15. Number 8, the presence of God impacts you with an unending joy. Psalm 16, the verse 11. Number 9, the presence of God destroys or silences the wicked. The sacrifice of praise. Psalm 68, verse 2. For you alone. Number 10, the presence of God opens the heavens and breaks spiritual limitations. Psalm 68, the verse number 8. You deserve the glory. The presence of God destroys the oppressions of the Jesus, devil. You alone. Acts chapter 10, verse number 30. So you alone says, and Jesus said, I do the things that pleases God. For you alone are worthy. So what are the things that pleases God that triggers? You deserve the glory. Number one is to live a life of righteousness and holiness. Number two is to constantly study and meditate on God's word. Number three, fellowshipping with the Holy Spirit on a daily basis. Praying in the Spirit abundantly. In other words, praying in tongues more often on a daily basis. It enforces the presence of the Holy Spirit over your life. Number four is worship. It's either you worship God by yourself or you surround yourself with worship songs. It also triggers the presence of God. Number five, sacrificial giving, in tithing, in offering, in giving to the poor and the needy, also enforces the presence of God over your life. We are living in an end time, and without the presence of God, it will be very difficult for us to survive. Hallelujah. So we need the presence of God as never before. God richly bless you. It is my prayer that God will grant us the grace to walk in His presence at all times. For you are glorious and worthy to be praised. You can call me on my line. The throne +233 246 we lift our voice in praise. The Lamb. I am Prophet Francis Asiedu Prempeh. founder of Cornerstone Prayer House Chapel, Accra, Ghana, Tantra Hills, Yellow House, last stop. God richly bless you. I'll come your way some other time. Till then, stay blessed.